going to Baler. I have decided that just now na 100% pupunta tayo dun. And I'll give you an update afterwards, okay? Bye. Kain muna ako. Dapat pala ni-landscape ko siya kanina. Pero anyways, it's already, nakalimutan natin i-play. So, it's already 8:05 on the 20th of February. So, later na pala tayo aalis. And now, I'm packing my things, guys. I'm getting ready. Just, ilang oras na lang ata. I don't think I can sleep pa kasi baka anong oras ako magising. Because I have to leave like around midnight para maka-chance passenger. I didn't book kasi hindi ako nakahabol sa online. Close na sila ngayon. I don't think lang. Baka mag-alternate route na lang talaga ako if ever walang chance passenger. So, this is my trip. We're going to Baler later. Bye! Hello? So, it's already midnight na. And I have to go na kasi as far as I know, 2 AM yung next trip. So, kung habol tayo as a chance passenger, kailangan natin agahan dun para makahabol sa 2 AM. Kasi if not, I think matagal-tagal pa tayo babiyahe. So, I have somewhere to go to lang. And then, diretso na tayo dun sa bus terminal. And then, okay, we'll update you, okay? We're walking to 7-Eleven. Because I'm gonna buy something lang. Like drinks, water. Then we're gonna book a ride. Moto taxi going to Cubao sa bus station. Then, I'll update you. Guys, nakapag-book na pala ako ng bus going to Baler. And it's 1 something na 1 AM. And then yung alis na is 2 AM. Ayun, babalik na ako dun sa Joy bus. Buli lang ako tubig kasi yun na. Wala palang ATM ko sa 7-Eleven pinili sa amin. So, tumakbo ako. Lapit lang naman although. Then, dito na tayo. Balik na tayo dun. See you, Baler. Tutulog lang ako. Okay. Bye. Anyways, we took a day off today. Today is Friday, February 21. Just gonna go off and then diretso long weekend. Okay guys, nakabot na ako sa and naiwan ko na rin yung gamit ko sa pag-stayan ko. Now, grabe maulan dito guys. Hindi naman siya wrong timing guys. Weather's not under my control. Kasi makakalan sa dagat tayo nakakapag-stream. But anyways, kailangan ko tumawag. Ayan. Kita nyo naman, maulan. Sana later okay na ang panahon para naman makapag-surf tayo. Kahit pa tayo. may kainan doon. Hindi pa naman ako nagugutom. Gusto ko na siya picture. Hindi, kuya. I am finally here at Sabang Beach. Yan. Ito yung survey capital of the Philippines. This is Baler. Wow, guys. Ang laki ng alon. Kaya pala siya binagsagan ng survey capital of the Philippines. Grabe, sarap maligo. Hindi naman ako marunong lumangoy. Pero, fuck it. We're gonna do it. Tatayin muna ako. Tapunin community. Hello, it's past 7 in the evening. And punta tayo dun sa may, I think, resto bar yun. Gonna grab something to eat and then drink. Yes, this is just a chill vacation, I think. We're not doing any activities. There's some makapag-surf lang. Ano kaya yun? Bar? Gusto kasi mag-bar eh. Let's see. What morning looks like here. So pretty. Wow. So pretty ng sunrise, no? It's 6 something na ata, 6:30. Guys, sunrise is so pretty here. Oh. And there are people there all. Nagsisurf na sila. Ganda talaga ng island. Lalaki ng island mo, guys. My ring. Wow. There are people there. Hey guys, we're taking a walk. Ganda ng view. Sobrang Latina. Ayan. Sheesh. Ganda ng waves. Oh my God, pupunta sa dito. Akit na ako. Facebook nga. Pero ang ganda